Most of us consider marriage to be a romantic decision, but it's also a very important financial decision. For example, if one of you likes to spend and the other one likes to save, then you'll probably face some financial problems once the honeymoon is over. Both of you should really consider how your income will allow you to accomplish your goals. Sometimes you might choose to have all bank accounts shared and all loans shared, but if you don't know the financial life of your partner, this might not be a good idea. Talk to each other before you get into marriage. Discuss the things that matter the most for each of you. In fact, sometimes it is worth considering getting a prenup before getting married. If you both grew up in very different situations, for example, in different countries and different cities, then you probably have different ideas of how a family should work. It's important that you discuss and plan ahead, like the house you want to live in, the schools you want your children to go to, the vacations. Any major expense should be planned. Remember that people who are the top performers in life are usually good planners and take specific actions to become better at what they do. Wouldn't you want your marriage to have the best outcome? So remember, marriage is not just about love. It involves important financial decisions.